Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again, and on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to view Google account password if forgotten. So if you have forgotten your Google account password and you want to view that without recovering your password, this video is for you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to open the settings app on your device. Once you land on your settings page, scroll all the way down and look for Google. If you see that, tap on Google. Once you tap on there, you will land on this interface. From here again, tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on there, you will see menu bar on your screen with home, personal info, data and privacy. So scroll that menu bar to the left, and in here you will see security. Tap on security. Once you land on your security page, scroll all the way down and there you will see password manager. Tap on password manager. You will land on this page now to view your password. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you may get notified for the next time we upload more tutorials. Now back again, once you see this interface, now to see your Google account password, you will see Google under this section. So tap on Google and then you will land the next page where you will be able to view your Google account password. So that is how you can simply view your Google account password if you have forgot it. That's all, and I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.